For Ethereum specifically, or more broadly, I think more broadly what you're seeing is these institutions trying to find ways to get into the space, and they're willing to do things that fit into their mold. And so fund structures always fit in, swaps always fit in. They do this already with every other asset class in the world. So doing it inside of crypto is no different. It's just a different thing. What's driving that is people want to get exposure to it. They see the need for it, and they have a desire to actually do that.
Ethereum has been at the forefront of the cryptocurrency market's most recent upswing as the DeFi asset looks to close the distance between itself and Bitcoin. Speaking with Kitco News, co-head of Galaxy Digital Trading, Jason Urban, discussed his outlook on Ethereum and Bitcoin prices, as well as the progress of institutional adoption of the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap. Analyzing what is driving the institutional demand for Ethereum, Urban discussed Goldman Sachs' exposure to Ethereum via an Ethereum fund. From a Google Trends spike to depleting supply, multiple catalysts have been hinting at more upside for Ethereum. Several market catalysts suggest that Ethereum's native token Ether is well positioned to surge higher this month. Internet users' interest in Ethereum's upcoming network upgrade, dubbed the Merge, surged substantially last 2 week ending April 2, Google Trends data shows. Searches for the keyword Ethereum Merge reached a perfect Google Trends score of 100 on a 12-month timeframe, with most traffic coming from the United States, Singapore, Canada, and Australia. The Merge, also called Ethereum 2.0, refers to the Ethereum network's full transition to proof-of-stake from proof-of-work, a development that had been touted as one of the major catalysts behind Ether's rebound from $2,500 on March 14 to over $3,100 this week. The bullish outlook stems from Merge's proposal to reduce Ether's issuance rate, leading to a possible supply peak in the total number of Ethereum in circulation. With proof-of-work mining, Ethereum's supply has grown by 3% every year. Jason Urban, the Galaxy Digital co-head, also considered Ethereum 2.0 as a driving factor, moving from a proof-of-work universe to a proof-of-stake universe. Before we listen to him, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you are yet to do so.
Because it used to be that Bitcoin was the space that institutions would go to, the asset rather, in terms of the crypto world. And now are you seeing more and more institutional interest in Ethereum?
Absolutely. And I think that there's two factors. One, as people become educated in the space and they understand what the value proposition of crypto is, they start to understand the power of smart contracts, that layer one that so many brilliant minds can build on. And Ethereum is that's the copper. If Bitcoin is the digital gold, Ethereum's digital copper. It allows for the ecosystem to be built in so many ways, as do the other layer ones. And so people stepping in and wanting to do that is important. ETH 2.0 is another driving factor. So the fact that we're moving from a proof of work universe to a proof of stake universe, I think there's ESG implications, there's scalability and things that now become very valuable and will allow ETH to grow. Right. And so smart institutional investors are seeing that and they're saying, hey, this could be the next thing.
Well, because of ETH 2.0 and the fact that it is then going to create a more ESG compliant crypto, is that driving institutions into such a degree that we may see more institutional money going into Ethereum than Bitcoin because of the whole energy consumption angle and ESG?
There is an ESG component, and if you think about ESG, I mean, more energy is used in running YouTube than it is to run the entire network. So there are offsets.
But perception, Jason, perception.
Listen, there's a narrative that our industry has definitely lost, and so do I think that ESG is the sole factor? No. Do I think that helps? Yes, right. Absolutely.
So do you see the flippening, as they say? Do you see Ethereum's market cap, number 2 at the moment, overtaking that of Bitcoin's?
I think at some point, yes, but is it imminent? No. Do I think it's something we're going to see in the next 2 to 3 years? That's probably the soonest. And I, again, could be wrong on that, but I don't think it's anytime soon. Do I think that it could happen, or do I think there's something else that we haven't even discovered yet that could be the next thing, right? If you think about, if you use the internet as a roadmap, they were the first doesn't always necessarily mean you're the one that won, right? I mean, look at Netscape versus Google, right? Netscape was first, and now we all Google everything. So there could be something else as innovation grows and as innovation is driven forward that you could see this change a little bit.
Well, to that point, could there be something else then in your mind that replaces Bitcoin?
That one's less likely because it's so entrenched as to what it is. Is never, is always or never. Those are dangerous words in the trading business. And so is there something that could? Yes, theoretically. Is there anything that I see on the horizon to replace Bitcoin? No, not today.
Okay, so potential flippening in 3 years' time, or Ethereum overtaking the market cap of Bitcoin. Let's focus a little bit more near term. What is your Ethereum outlook for the end of the year, price-wise?
So there are a few factors that can impact this, namely the Fed and what the Fed is going to do, inflation, war in Ukraine. If you had asked me at the start of the year, I would have said I see Bitcoin at 100,000, ETH at 6,500, 7,000 in that range. Do I think that there's headwinds to that potentially? Do I think that it's going to matter? No. So if it's not the end of the year, it could be Q1 of next year, Q2. It is going to happen. The sheer number of people that are stepping into this space, I feel are going to just continue to, push that, and the fact that there's such utility. People don't always see the utility because they don't maybe understand, but there's such utility in this ecosystem.
So Ethereum by the end of the year?
6,000.
6,000. Bitcoin by the end of the year?
100,000.
100,000.
The widely anticipated Ethereum 2.0 upgrade or merge has been generating some bullish sentiment for the Ethereum token even before its application. Experts have suggested that this update will launch Ethereum towards the $10,000 price mark. The world's second largest cryptocurrency has seen a surge of over 23% in the last 30 days. Another crypto enthusiast, Lark Davis, suggested that Ethereum 2.0 will prove to be the catalyst that will lead Ethereum towards the $10,000 price level. Recently, billionaire Mark Cuban said he was very bullish over the upcoming upgrade. The Ethereum token has registered a gain of over 23% in the last 30 days. Comparatively, Bitcoin is up by just 9% in the same period of time. Ethereum is trading at an average price of $3,082 at the time of writing the script for this video. According to CoinMarketCap, the world's second largest cryptocurrency has total market capitalization of over $370.8 billion. Interest in Ethereum has spilled over into other altcoins and has also benefited the prices of proof-of-stake tokens such as Solana and Cardano. Do you believe we will see Ethereum at $10,000 this year? We are curious to know what you think. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section.
Today's episode is sponsored by iTrust Capital, the #1 crypto IRA platform in America. We allow you to invest in your favorite cryptocurrencies without worrying about taxes. That's right, iTrust Capital allows you to buy and sell your favorite cryptocurrencies completely tax-free. That means if you invest $10,000 into Cardano and it grows to $100,000, all of your profits are tax-free. Why is it tax-free? We took the existing retirement account industry and flipped it on its head. Instead of boring stocks and bonds, you can invest in crypto. How is it secured? Through Coinbase Custody, one of the leading cold storage providers with a $320 million insurance policy to protect against theft, hacks, and loss of funds. Roll over your existing retirement account, or even start a new one from scratch. Questions? Schedule a free call with one of our crypto retirement account specialists, and they can help you discuss your options. Start your crypto IRA today and retire early, only at iTrust Capital. Click the link in the description to open a free account now.
Thanks for watching.